What are you doing?
What is
Why are you leaving the duty, yaar?
duty is myself.
You are half teacher, but there is salary give to full teacher. What is reason, yaar?
What is
Mansera is the job. Mansera is the job. First of all, for Pele Mansera job, there is nothing. Now you come here, but अब going to Mansera again दोबारा to get. What यार? Oh, I know. I have done not, but there is you are half teacher and you give to full teacher salary. No, yaar, what are you? Don't talk about again मेरे सामने दोबारा इस्तेमाल. Don't. वो उनका अपना काम है ना. Okay. Don't touch this talk again. दोबारा. ये बात नहीं करना दोबारा कि मैं जा रहा हूँ. Don't. Okay. अंगूठा लगाओ. Touch finger. Good. You are पक्का today. मेरा मतलब है तुम यहाँ पर पक्के हो गए. ठीक है. ओके. नहीं यार जाना, किधर जाना यार, क्या मसला यार. तुम क्या कहते हो, ये जाए कि नहीं जाए यार? He is gone or no gone? What यार? We are discussing this. And this brother is saying don't go. यार. यार Khan in the jail, I am don't Khan.
What is 5 billion time? 5
Okay. He says 5 days I am there. मतलब मैं 5 दिन तक यहाँ हूँ. 5 दिन के बाद मैं चला जाऊँगा. बंदा ले आओ, नहीं ले आओगे तो मेरा हिसाब किताब फिनिश करके मैं जाता हूँ. सही है बात. But यार only comment in here. Don't go here. Don't go this. Please. सही है. नहीं जाओगे. पक्की बात है. अंगूठा लगाओ. Okay.
How will you become?